Hello friends, welcome back to the video. Today we have discussed about cloud computing and which code is BCS 701. In this video we have discussed about only long answer type questions which is very useful for your AKTU examination which conduct with 2 January 2026. Let's start the video. Here our first question is define define cloud computing and explain evaluation of cloud computing in details. The next question is explain the underlying principles of parallel and distributed computing and their role in cloud computing. The next question is discuss the major characteristics of cloud computing with suitable example. The next question is explain elasticity in cloud computing. How is it different from scalability? The next question is last question of unit first. Explain on demand provisioning in cloud computing and its advantages. Here we have discussed about the unit number second, which is cloud enabling technologies. Here the first question is explain service oriented architecture SOA. Discuss REST and systems of system in details. The next question is explain web services architecture and its components. The next question is explain the publish subscribe model and its application in cloud computing. The next question is define virtualization, explain different types of virtualization in details. The next question is explain implementation levels of virtualization. And the another question is explain virtualization structures, tools, mechanisms used in cloud computing. Explain the CPU memory and I/O virtualization in details. Here we have the include multiple questions for virtualization. This is the not same question. It is the different question. In this, in the question number fifth, we have implementation of virtualization. In the question number fourth, we have only define and different types of virtualization in details. And the question number seven explains CPU memory and IO virtualization in detail. So you do not think that the all question is same. This is a different types of question. So please solve the all types of question, and we have tried, and I will try to the most important question which is most important for the AKTU examination. So you solve the all question properly with the difference. So the last question of unit second discuss the role of virtualization in disaster recovery. Here we have discussed about unit number third, which is cloud architectures, services and storage. So here the first question is explain layered cloud architecture design with a need diagram. The next question is describe the NIST cloud computing reference architecture. The next question is explain public, private and hybrid cloud deployment models with comparison. The next question is explain cloud services model IaaS, PaaS and SaaS with example. The next question is discuss architectural design challenges in cloud computing. The next question is explain the cloud storage and storage as a service in details. The next question is discuss advantages of cloud storage. The last question of the unit third, which is explain Amazon S3 and its features. So we have the complete unit number third, and let's start the unit number fourth, which is resource management and security in cloud. In this unit, we have seen the first question of Unit 4th, explain intercloud resource management and its significance. The second question is what is the resource provisioning, explain different resources provisioning methods. And the next question is explain the global exchange of cloud resources. The next question is give an overview of cloud security and discuss major security challenges. The another question is explain software as a service SaaS security issues and solution. The next question is explain security governance in cloud computing. The another question is discuss virtual machine security in cloud environments. The another question is explain identity and access management in cloud computing. The another question is explain various cloud security standards. Here we have completed the unit number 4th, where we have discussed about the ninth question, and let's we have see the unit number 5th, which is the cloud technologies and advancements. Here the first question is explain Hadoop architecture and its components in details. The second question of unit number 5th, explain the MapReduce programming model with working. Another question is explain Google App Engine GAE and its programming environment. And the another question is explain OpenStack architecture and its core services. The another question is what is the cloud federation? Explain 4 levels of federation. And the another question is explain federated services and application in cloud computing. The another question is discuss the future of federation in cloud computing. Thank you for seeing this video at the last. Meet the next video. I I hope you have understand the all question properly. Meet the next video. Bye bye. Best of luck. Thank you.